Top 3 Best Bird Feeder. Name bar 3 Squirrel Solution 200. The Brome Wild Bird Feeder is sleek, sturdy, and best of all, squirrel-proof. The tube-style feeder is rectangular, and its inner UV-resistant plastic tube is surrounded by a green metal cage with decorative leaves on it. However, they're not just for show. When a squirrel climbs onto the feeder, the cage shifts down, and the leaves block the seed holes, preventing the critters from eating your birdseed. This bird feeder is 24 inches tall and can hold up to 3.4 pounds of seed. You can use it with safflower or black oil sunflower seeds and chips. Name bar 2 Twinkle Star Wild Bird. Bird feeders can be surprisingly expensive, but the Twinkle Star Wild Bird Feeder is a budget-friendly option for feeding small birds. The whole feeder is only 8 inches tall, so it's not big enough to accommodate larger birds like blue jays, but small finches will be able to perch on the lip of its tray. The Twinkle Star Feeder is made from plastic, and it has a hexagon shape with transparent sides and a faux metal roof and tray. It can be used with a variety of birdseed types, allowing you to attract different bird varieties. There are gravity-fed feeding ports on all sides of the feeder. This bird feeder is extremely easy to fill and clean thanks to its large central compartment, but keep in mind that it doesn't have any manner of squirrel deterrent. Name bar 1 More Birds 38,194. Thistle, also called Niger seed, should be your go-to birdseed if you want to attract finches, but the problem is that these small seeds can easily fall out of regular bird feeders. Point 2 Instead, you'll want a model specifically designed for thistle, such as the Stokes Select Bird Feeder. This small, brightly colored feeder looks like a regular tube feeder, but instead of feeding ports, it has mesh sides that allow finches to grab thistle directly. This thistle feeder has a bright yellow top and base to capture the attention of birds in your yard, and it has a tray at the bottom to minimize seed waste. Don't worry about your feed getting soggy.